sarong, trousers. Asha's trying her bargaining skills over here. 150. Asha came back with 100. The lady's come back with 125, and now she's trying to sell the long trousers as well.
Because she's the big butterfly of life. Very happy, very flying all the time. This will be a present for my mama.
Hello guys. We are, gosh, where are we? Lombok.
Selamat siang.
Selamat siang. Lombok, Senggigi. We're just walking through like the village that kind of surrounds our bungalow, and we're going down to the beach today. Having a beach day, I think. Haven't had one kind of really for a while. Well, I say a while, a couple of days. Yeah, the sun's kind of out, the clouds are also out. I've already been for a run today in the boiling hot sun. I melted my brain a little bit.
I've already finished writing my new song, Hari Mo Menyenangkan. Have a nice day, and I'm gonna play at the beach.
Cool, yeah. But I think first, yeah, we're just going to, well, we're going towards the beach, to the beach, have some food, going to, yeah, to the beach, one of the waterungs. One of the waterungs we kind of, well, we've been a few times. There's only really one, I would say, what, affordable warung on our beach that we've found so far. So yeah, we're going to go there. It's also got like, or has had loads of different things that we haven't tried before, and I'm always up for trying some different food. Oh, okay. Every day we go past this lady. She's always trying to convince Asha to buy something. She's always very happy as well. Always very happy. Let's have a look. Loads of sarongs, things, trousers. Asha's trying her bargaining skills over here. Not doing very successfully. We'll see. I think the lady first said 100. Asha came, no, 150. Asha came back with 100. And now she's upselling. She's getting upsold. The lady's come back with 125, and now she's trying to sell the long trousers as well. I'm not sure how much she got it for in there. Let's see. How much is it?
100, and I said 150. The lady said 120.
Oh, 120. It's good. Yeah, very good. Okay, so it came from 150 to, in the end, 120. That's good. And she's got a good smile, and she's like always quite happy. I think even Asha was on a phone call to her mum. She was trying to sell some stuff to Poland via WhatsApp, which was funny. I wasn't there for it, but yeah, it sounded quite funny. This is like surrounding. I think I've already shown it to you. Like, we've kind of been here a few days, so maybe a bit of this footage is maybe repeating itself a little bit, but still, it's still for me very unusual. Yeah, so I quite like sharing it. Yeah, and we're not really, well, I guess no, we're still going to be around in villages, but tomorrow we leave Lombok, so we're not on Lombok too much. We haven't really explored Lombok that much. We felt like we just wanted to come to Senggigi, sort of get a general feel for part of the island, and then maybe in a little bit come back for a couple of weeks, because you know Lombok itself, it's actually quite big. It's bigger than Bali, so yeah, it needs more than like a few days, but we need to get, well, we always wanted to end kind of at least part of our Indonesian trip on Ubud before catching the, hello, before catching a flight to Malaysia. So yeah, we thought we'd just stop here for a little bit after Gili Tea, obviously, and then go to Ubud tomorrow. So yeah, Ubud tomorrow. So yeah, we're going to try and get in a day of sun and relax before Ubud, well, and beach before Ubud, because obviously Ubud is more mountains and forest. Yeah, which I sluck. We're not going to do too much today. It's mostly just beach and eating, but hey, that sounds pretty good to me. Bargain.
Yeah, this is for my mama. I will use it on the beach until I get to my mama, because I know she would like me to have something practical. But then, because she's a big butterfly of life, very happy, very flying all the time, this will be a present for my mama. And also they had fried bananas.
Oh wow.
So you want
How much
one?
for the fried banana?
Oh, it was 10,000 for 10.
10,000 for 10?
But they give me like
I definitely want one.
3, 4, 4,000. I don't know. That wasn't a little bit less bargaining.
Bargain.
But the lady is really good at bargaining. The other one that made it, she had no word.
Oh.
The lady was, but it's really beautiful with the butterflies. And when I was speaking to my mom on WhatsApp, this lady was like kind of trying to sell to my mom. I know my mom probably wouldn't buy it because she doesn't like material stuff too much, but it would be a nice practical thing as a skirt or as a towel, so it would be fine.
Well, the fried banana is good anyway.
It's really fresh.
Yeah. Still very hot. Okay, to the beach. Okay guys, we just stopped at a little kind of shop, warung shop thing there. Got some soffle. So soffle is like your best friend basically. Don't really go out without it. So it's like mosquitoes, for mosquitoes. You can get it in like a cream. No thank you. No thank you, no thank you. Okay. Oh, yeah. Bit of tooting and hey, do you want a taxi? Hey, do you want a taxi?
Even like, we always said like, I'm going to the beach. The guy said, okay, but what are you doing tomorrow?
Yeah. What about tomorrow? I can take you to this place and I can do this and we can go here. No, just going. Anyway, yeah, Soffle for mosquitoes. This was only 20,000. Definitely like worth it. I mean, you get, and this you can get it in like spray, which is this, or like a lotion. We prefer the spray actually. Like the lotion, it's not too bad, but it still gets a bit kind of weird.
It's just too much having a sunscreen and Soffle's cream, and you just kind of put a lot on top of your skin. And I'm very not into those things. I'm very into natural things. So at least with the spray, it just feels like a fresh water on your body rather than just something.
And I got one of these. I just said would have got this, which is like a Campor, which is kind of like ice with jellies and stuff. They're really good, but the last one I had, I think, actually made me sick. Yeah, a bit of belly type situation, because it was out in it was actually Nusa Penida belly. Yeah, I think just because it was out in the sun, there was one bit which kind of felt a bit twisty. But yeah, that's another story. But instead, I got this. Da, 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 da. Mango crispy. Oh yeah. No, sorry, taro crispy.
Oh.
That's why it's purple. Purple. If it's purple, you gotta try it. Okay. So taro is like a sweet potato type situation. Yes. Cool. Well, I'm gonna get this. This is like the precursor to whatever we're gonna have at the warung. One thing about kind of this beach here is that all the way along it, obviously are either big resorts or like beach clubs like this. But you can kind of sometimes, like, you have someone that feels a bit weird, like just walking through somebody else's whatever place. But this one is quite nice because it does actually have like an access to the beach down the side. Down here. So you don't have to feel like you're actually, going through someone's restaurant, basically. But yeah, so we're going to the beach and then going to the watering. Yay! Well, and playing music and sleeping. I'm probably. Okay, now we're just like kind of on, I don't know what beach it is to be honest. Senggigi, kind of Senggigi area, but it's not actually Senggigi Beach. Senggigi Beach is like around the corner there. And then we're coming to this place called Enough Said. I'm gonna have this sneakily. Very good. It's sweet. But it is like kind of taro, which is kind of like I said, a sweet potato. So yeah, we're just gonna order some food. Enough said. Enough said, they say. Okay guys, the food has just turned up. Rice. Rice. Don't worry, there is food.
Chicken curry.
Curry ayam, or chicken curry. Curry ayam. This is like what? Grilling?
Like spinach or yeah, kale. It's supposed to be kale.
Yeah, like morning glory or something. Morning glory with beans and tomato something. And then this is a
vegetarian curry.
vegetable curry. Wow. Well, looks really good. Smells really good. The food here is pretty good. Whoa. Yes. That's really good. That's super. It is super good. Very similar actually to the tom yum. It has one of the same spices in it. But it's probably the best, I would say. Maybe the best. Maybe a bit too much onion actually. A bit too much onion. It's one of the best chicken curries I've had here in Indonesia. Purely based on the thickness of the sauce. It's not quite like an Indian curry thickness, which I really like, but it's not like the wateriness that I've been having lately. Really good. And this one?
It's like a coconut mixed with sour, salty. But there's something that they add, I don't know, turmeric, something different. Some like a spice that makes it yellow. And,
Oh yeah.
And that is very creamy. And for sure there is some cream here.
Probably coconut cream. Probably coconut cream. But cool, yeah. Really good.
Absolutely. I'm gonna be full. This is like a huge portion of vegetables. It's like a dream for me.
Yeah, I mean the portions here, like, you know, that's all the chicken.
Yeah.
It's a lot of chicken. I'm used to just getting like bits of some sort of leg thing, chicken bone stuff. But this is like all chicken breast.
For
Really
like
good.
35, 40.
Yeah, I think mine's 50,000 maybe. I'm not sure. Can't remember. But yeah, okay, we're gonna eat. Maybe I'll try that. Can I try that?
Yeah.
Before the flies do?
Yeah.
I just want to try the red stuff. He said it wasn't spicy. It is spicy.
Oh no.
It is spicy. Asha purposely got it so that she didn't have spice. But the red is like very much tomato
That's for you.
and very much chili spice. Okay guys, so food is, well, my food is gone. Asha's kind of still exists.
No more for this lunch.
Yeah.
Maybe for dinner.
Yeah, the portions here are really big actually. I didn't order. That's why I didn't order a second dish, or didn't agree to you know, kind of share a second one, because I knew it was going to be too much for me.
It's like really healthy.
Yeah, I mean there's beans in it and stuff. I'm not a big tomato eater, if you know that already or not. Like sometimes I can handle tomatoes, but as a kid I had some big tomato issues. Yeah. So yeah, I don't eat tomatoes by choice so much. And this one kind of.
Which is funny because I love the most tomatoes, so we are extreme.
This is Bali. This is Penita Zawid. There's Asha.
key?
Yeah. This is enough said in UF is AID. Enough said. As in enough said.
And
But it's really nice. Really nice place.
this is
Quickly go, come along and try it. There's the Polish flag up there somewhere. No. Okay guys, so this is enough said. I've actually said quite a lot about it recently. But yeah, really good. Good food, good food, good food. Good portions, good price, good view. We're heading down the beach a little bit for a bit more privacy. I think Asha wants to actually get a pineapple. So yes, I don't know how much they're going to cost. We'll find out, we'll find out. Okay guys, so I think we've found our spot. It's very windy. I might go in there. I don't know. I mean, it's really windy. But yeah, I might just do a little... No, there's food. I've got food in me. I'm going to wait a little bit. Maybe I'll lie down, get a bit of sunburn, then go in the water, then get some more sunburn. And then that's probably it for the day. Okay.